plans to rearrange. Old skin splitting at the seams. I feel a pulse beneath my ribs. Old fractures turning into lines. Pieces I thought I lost for good start to move and realign. Pull me from the static place, build me from the ground again. What once crumbled in my hands won't stay broken in the end. Rebuild me! Bring the spark back into my core. Rebuild me! Let me rise into a shape I was made for. What once weighed me down falls away. New designs form in this way. Rebuild me! Make me new today. The ticking grows into a pulse. Step by step I'm waking up. Energy flows through my frame, drawing lines that lift me up. Pull me from what kept me cold. Let me breathe and move again. Pressure turns into a glow, guiding me to where I stand. Tear down the walls around my name. Shape me stronger than I came. I rise up no matter how. I'm becoming someone now. Carry fire into my awakened frame.